Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications in your Archos Core 101, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down to enter notifications. And right now we can go right here to change the notification on the lock screen, so we can just don't show them. And if you want to change notifications from any app on your tablet, for example, we are going to get it on the Gmail, we can just simply tap on this switcher and block them all. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. So yeah.